Hey guys, welcome back to a new series on the channel, um, called Hang Out with Streamers, even though how fucking annoying they are. Here today I'm with Cutie Johan and King Saku. I didn't say you were Cutie, I just said you were King Saku. Then why the fuck are you not a Neko right now? Exposed! Why did I say that? Who the fuck do? Who the fuck is doing that animation sound? Privacy, stop, play. Thank you. And I know that's a treasure or something close to that. I can hear by the audio file. I knew it. I fucking knew it. But it could. It could. Please unable. I'm fucking tired. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, it's very small. Oh shit. Ah, my microphone is electrocuting me. And a little blue spark is hitting me whenever I put my mouth close to the microphone. Oh, oh, that just makes it a lot better than that you are here. Yeah. No! I saw this yesterday and how the fuck did I fall for it? How? Get it down with. Guys, there's a new beatbox video I want to show you guys. Wait, let me find it. Swiss beatbox. Infern. Infern. Oh. Ah! Here it is. It's fucking insane. It's insane. Ah, let's just play that in the background. Oh wait, I forgot you guys can't hear anything from the computer. So you can't hear anything what they are saying. Ah, I forgot. I forgot one thing. My recorder can record the computer sounds. So yeah. So what? Yeah, I know. I forgot. My recorder can record computer sounds. So yeah. Yeah. do, do you have a request for a recorder I should use? This is the end for the video, guys.